everyone. Today we will be going over the Innovation to Impact, or i2i, technology platform and what it has to offer. You can find the webpage linked here on the screen. Before starting, you will need to have an account to log in. If you do not have one, please contact us to get one set up for you. Now let's get started. To access your account, enter your username and password and click Submit. If you forget your password, you can always click the Forgot Password button to create a new one. Once logged in, the page will look similar to this. There are two sections on the page. The first section is the Current Technology panel enclosed in a white box. Here you can see your currently selected technology, your role for the selected technology, and change your technology. The second section, found below the box where the pictures are, is the Learning section panel. Until a technology is selected, only the welcome video will be accessible. To start your learning experience, you need to select which project to work with. In the Current Technology panel, click here to select a different technology to see the list of projects that are associated with you. Select a project. Once selected, you will see the project title in the largest font and your role for the designated project below that. On the right side of the panel, in the gray box, you will see the technology details. This provides more information about the project and its participants. There are 3 roles a person can have: team member, technology manager, and AOR. Only team members and technology managers will be able to complete learning modules. AORs will be able to access your technology and see your information, but not modify it. Above the technology details, there is a Generate Technology Management Report button. Once clicked, it will generate an editable technology management report that collects all relevant information you entered from the released stations. Currently, this button is not activated. It will be activated with the release of Station 4 coming soon. The current example is showing if your role was a team member. If your role is a technology manager, you will be able to assign, create new users to be team members, co-managers, or AORs to your project. Users can be deleted if or when they are no longer a part of your project. If your role is an AOR, your screen will look like this. The panel can expand and you can see the progress of the chosen project. You can download the print plan by station or print all stations together. You will also be able to download the rubric of each station to assist you in evaluating the project. The rubrics are in the format of Excel and PDF. Now, if you want to start learning and use i2i to work on your project, select a project where your role is technology manager or team member. The Learning section panel has 3 distinct modules: the Welcome video, the i2i Learning Modules and Management System, hereby referred to as Learning Module, and Forms Only, hereby referred to as Forms. It is recommended that you watch the Welcome video before starting the learning, as it shows you an overview of the i2i program and some basic features of the platform. The Learning module in the middle panel is where you will start your learning. There are 6 stations in total, and currently 3 stations are released to users. The station contains content based on theory, audio, video, images, forms, and interactive questions. The Learning module is organized and needs to be completed in chronological order, so a station will not be available until the previous one is completed. The progress in the Learning module is associated with the user. Once it is completed, it will be shown as completed despite which project you select. The Form Only module contains only forms for the corresponding station. It allows the user to review and edit responses. To unlock a form, its corresponding Learning module must be completed, and, similar to the Learning module, you must complete the previous form in order to access the next station's form. It is important to note that forms differ from each project and must be completed for each project. To summarize, Learning module progress carries over to any project, but form completion will not. Now let's learn some useful functions in a station's learning module. After you click on Station 1 in the Learning module, you will access the learning content. In the bottom right corner of the slide, you can see your current slide number and the total slide number. At the bottom, there is a scroll bar to see the progress of each slide. Next to it, you see the repeat, volume, backward, and forward buttons to navigate the current slide. On the top corner of the learning material is the menu. Print plan, menu, and glossary. The Print Plan tab enables you to print out all the information you entered in the station. You can save it and share it with stakeholders. The print information is arranged following the form orders. Then, to save or print the plan, click on the three dots in the upper right corner, go to Print, and choose Print or Save as PDF. When you finish the operation, just close the tab. Menu tab allows you to navigate the content more efficiently. You can navigate through platforms or forms. For example, if you want to go to Platform 2, Customers and Customized Value to review the content, you can click on the topic and it will lead you to that slide. The Glossary tab contains explanations for terms and words that might be difficult to understand throughout the station. You can click on it to check the terms you want to understand better. After completing the station, you can close the tab and move on to Station 2. Before we end our tutorial, I would like to show you the settings in the profile icon in the upper right corner of the landing page. Here is where you can change your password. Click the icon and go to Settings, then change your password. Done. Your password is set. You are now safe to go. And that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy your innovation development journey with i2i.